Hello! Magandang araw! Welcome to my channel. Ako nga pala si Mystico Moreno. In short, Mismo. At dito sa aking channel, we will manifest love and light sa inyong Tagalog love reading. Ngayon na, mismo. Okay. So, ang gagawin natin ay ang 6-6 love reading, meaning bubunot ako ng 6 cards from this deck. That would be the main energy or main reading. And then, bubunot tayo ng 6 cards from this deck. That would be the supporting cards or supporting energy of the main reading. Okay? At para ito sa lahat ng Aquarius. Okay? So, this is a collective reading for Aquarius. At habang binabalasan ko to, gusto kong magpasalamat sa lahat ng Aquarius na patuloy na sumusuporta sa Mystico Moreno channel. Thank you so much po. Sobrang appreciated ang inyong love and support. And please continue to support my channel by liking this video. It really helps the channel grow. Comment pa rin sa baba, lalo na kung nag-resonate yung readings sa inyo. Okay? At para sa lahat ng mga bago, supportan nyo rin po sana ang aking channel by subscribing to Mystico Moreno and by liking this video and commenting below as well. Thank you so much po. Okay. So, kaya rin 6 kasi sa numerology, ang number 6 is nurturing energy. Parang mother energy siya, kung tawagin. And that's what we also want to manifest, especially with our love and connection. That nurturing energy when it comes to love. Okay? Sige. So, simulan na natin. I'll also get the 6th card from the pool. First card. Oops. 10 of Swords. Six of Wands. 9 of Pentacles. Wheel of Fortune. 9 of Swords. And 3 of Cups. Okay. Then, bunot tayo ng isang card from, 6 cards from this deck. And as I always remind everyone, this is a collective and general reading, so it may or may not resonate with all of you. And kapag hindi nag-resonate sa inyo, huwag pilitin. Ibig lang sabihin, hindi ko nasagap yung energy nyo today. Abangan nyo na lang yung mga susunod ko pang love reading or panoorin ninyo yung mga past videos na na-post ko na baka isa doon ay mag-resonate sa inyo. Dahil ang tarot and oracle readings naman talaga ay timeless. Better yet, book a personal and private reading dahil mas nakaalam nyo at mas nakatune in yun sa inyong energy. Okay. First card, okay, World card. 6 of Cups. 8 of Cups. Ace of Swords. The Star. And last, the Hierophant. Okay. So, you might be dealing with a Leo, Taurus, Aquarius, Scorpio. Okay. And what else? Yeah. So, yeah, Leo, Taurus, Scorpio, and Aquarius. So, doesn't have to. Yun lang yung strong energy na nasasagap sa reading na to. Okay. And pasensya na, may tumatawag. Pero, may ako nasagutin. Okay, so, you might be dealing with those signs, but doesn't have to. Yun lang yung strong energy na nasasagap sa reading na ito. Okay? Pero check nyo rin yung kanilang kanilang Moon, Venus, Rising placements. Baka Leo, Taurus, Scorpio, Aquarius din sila sa reading, ay sa placement na yun. O, diba? Okay, sige. So, sa main energy, you have the Ten of Swords, the Six of Wands, Nine of Pentacles, Wheel of Fortune, Nine of Swords, and Three of Cups. So, ano may ibig sabihin nito? Ang nasagap kong energy is that when you met this person, okay, you were actually parang kagagaling nyo lang sa isang failed relationship. Okay? And after this failed relationship, so na-meet nyo tong person and it helped you heal. Okay? With the Six of Wands here, nagkaroon kayo, parang this person was able to support you in your healing journey. Okay? So, after that failed relationship, na-meet mo siya, and then, nagkagusto siya sa'yo, nagkagusto ka rin sa kanya. However, syempre medyo hesitant ka nung umpisa, pero tinulungan ka nito, sinuportahan ka niya sa iyong healing journey. And that's why nagkaroon ng maayos na outcome yung relationship ninyo. And as you can see here also with the Nine of Pentacles, that this person allowed you to be free from that heartache, from that pain na naranasan mo from the previous relationship that was very hurtful. And ito, with the Wheel of Fortune, so nag-shift from something sad to something happy because of this person, yung life ninyo, and that's really a good sign. And with the Nine of Swords here, okay, meron lang syempreng anxiety ng konti from the past, kasi syempre medyo I can see here na hindi ka pa fully healed, pero malapit ka na doon sa tulong din ng person ninyo. However, syempre may mga times talaga minsan nag-overthink ka na feeling mo na you're not being fair to your person, but huwag mo masyadong isipin yun dahil mahal ka naman itong tao na to. And alam ko naman na mahal mo rin siya, and you're also willing to fully heal for this person. Especially lumabas itong Three of Cups, which is a card of celebration, sharing happy moments together, an energy of collaboration na meron na dito. So hindi ka you're doing your best also to reciprocate naman with this person, dahil bait naman itong tao na ka-partner mo or you're in connection with. And yung supporting cards pa, you can see here, you have the World card, and it only shows that this person is going to fulfill naman yung mga hindi na fulfill from the failed relationship that you had. And it will bring back some memories, especially the good ones, sa part mo, kasi yung mga actions na pinapakita niya, syempre, nako-compare mo din talaga siya from the past relationship. And minsan naalala mo rin yung mga good memories from that, but at the same time, it's may mga bumabalik na memory na ito sana talaga din yung hinahanap mo. And with that, and with the help of your person, you're able to really let go eventually. Malapit ka na din talaga na parang, sige, fully healed na ako, okay na ako. Kasi here with the Eight of Cups, it's just a card of letting go. Magkakaroon ng fresh start with the Ace of Swords here. Parang clean slate ba between you and your person after ikaw mag-fully healed. And with the Star card here, first, make a wish. Right? Manifest what you want to manifest in this relationship. But with the Star card here, this person is really giving you hope. And the Star card is also a card of healing. So talagang eventually you'll be fully healed. And with the Hierophant card here na nakita natin dito is there will be alignment na dun sa mga gusto mong mangyari sa relationship with this person, and it will lead to something, a long-term and committed relationship. Okay, so napakaganda nitong energy na to, and for me, you should be grateful na dumating itong person na to dahil mas napabilis din yung healing journey mo, yung healing process mo. And mas natulungan ka nga na mas maging gumaan pa yung loob mo, na narealize mo rin na buti, parang nasasabi mo ngayon sa sarili na buti na lang hindi mo nakatuluyan yung person na yon, kasi else hindi mo makikilala itong person na to na mas nagpo-provide ng mga needs mo, yung freedom na hinahanap mo, yung happiness na hinahanap mo, yung support, yung happy moments together, yung fresh start, and especially the things that you manifest and hope for in a relationship, nangyari siya with this person. So, keep it up. And, yeah, sana nakatulong itong reading na to. Although, I always say din naman na don't rely on tarot readings and oracle readings. These are just guidance, lalo na general and collective reading to. Use it always with discernment, pero sana nakatulong at sana nabigyan ito ng parang awareness sa mga anong mga kailangan nyo pang gawin ngayon sa relationship. Okay? So, abangan nyo na lang yung mga susunod ko pang love reading. Kita-kits! Sa kasi Mystico Moreno, or in short, mismo. Ingat!